Guys, welcome back to another Pentcreative tutorial, and today we are going to be looking at how to create a blog post and post it in different areas on the website. So let's get started. First thing you're going to do is once you logged in into your dashboard, you are going to go into Pages and you're going to click Add New. Just know that there are already preset templates that have been created from the previous blog posts. So every blog post that you create, you can save those layouts and just use it for the next blog post and just edit out the content and customize it. Okay, so right now we have a blank layout. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the visual builder. So once I click it, it's going to take me into a new page and it gives me these options. It says build from scratch, choose a pre-made layout, clone existing page. So we're going to do choose a pre-made layout and we're going to browse layouts. So as you can see, there are some pre-made layouts which Divi already offers. You're going to go into the saved layouts. I'm going to show you in a second of how to save a layout once we've created the blog. So you're going to go into the saved layouts. I'm going to go to HCA blog post layout. Once you hit import, it usually takes about a minute or so, so be patient. And here we go. The saved layout is completely loaded. Now you have the template for your new blog, and all you're going to do is you just have to edit the text, change the picture, and then add your new content, and you're done with setting up a blog. Another thing you might want to remember is once you've done this, you're going to save and then you're going to go into edit page and change and give a name to your new blog over here. So once you do that, make sure that your permalink, which is basically the URL, is also changing. So this is what is very important, because this is what you have to link to your different pages just for people to click on blog blurbs so that it can take you to the blog. So make sure that the name and the link are named correctly, otherwise you might not know where your blog would be and when you're trying to search for it. And the other thing is, in case if your layout doesn't load completely, you can even save sections. So the way you're going to save a complete layout is you're going to hit save to library. Once you do that, you can give the name to the layout. You can say blog template and just save it, and the next time you open a new page, you can just hit load layout and just go to the layout that you had just saved recently in it, and you can hit that and you get the whole template. Another way of saving templates, in case if the whole layout takes a lot of time, because sometimes there might be a small error where the layout might take a longer time to load. So in those cases, if it doesn't work, you can exit and then save each individual section. So how you're going to do that is you're going to go to the left hand side of the section, and you're going to right click and hit save to library, and then you do that for every section that's there on the page. So right now we have 4 sections. This is a global section, so you don't have to worry about it, but the other 1, 2, 3, 4 sections, you have to hit right click on each and save them individually. And then once you go into the page, you're gonna click on, let's enable the visual builder here. you're going to click on the add section and you're going to choose add from library and load whatever layout that you had saved previously. So that's the second way of doing it, just in case if the layout takes a longer time to load, you can do it individually and this would be much faster. Now once that you've created the blog, it's very important that you share the links in specific places. So the second place where we are going to update these blogs and their links is on the main HCA blog page. So head over to the blog page and enable the visual builder. What you can do is you can open the blog on a separate tab and just copy the URL so that you can add it to these blurbs. Now there are already preset blurbs. You don't have to go and create a new one. You can just copy these modules. So how you're going to do that is just hit this duplicate module icon right here and then boom, you get a copy. And the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to hit the module setting and make sure that you're changing the link over here in read more. The way you're going to do is you're going to highlight it, go to the link over here, and then you're going to change the URL. So once you do that, you can even change the target, which is basically opening it in a new window or just letting it open in the same window. So once you've done that, you're going to hit the check mark and save changes, and you're also going to do the same thing for making sure that the link for the image is also changed. So there's two things in the blurb that you have to make sure that you change the links in two places. One is the actual link and the text link that is present. So in that way, when people come in, when they click on the image or they click this, both will redirect them to the blog. So make sure that you change that. Once again, all of those settings are going to be available in the module setting for this blurb. So that's great. So you've created the blog, you have updated the blog blurb on the HCA blog main blog site, and now you have to update the blogs and the links on the main landing page. So it's the same drill. The only thing is here you have to change the links in two places again, which is basically the image and the text. So just like how you did it in the blog page, it's the same way. Gonna hit enable visual builder, head over to your recent posts, and once you see the module settings, go into that, and you're gonna go to the links and change the link over here and choose where do you want the URL to open, whether you want it in a new tab or on the same page. And once you do that, hit the check button and you're going to scroll down, go to the text module right here, go to the read more link, just highlight it, and then go to the chain link, which is right here just below the visual tab right here. So you're going to click on that and you're going to change the URL and add the target. Where do you want to do it? Do you want to do it in the same window or the new window? And then hit OK. And you're done. So your blog is officially updated in both the places. So you have your main blog that's been created, and then you're going to make sure that this link is added to the blurbs on the home page, as well as the blurbs that are present in your main blog page. So that's about it, guys. Thank you so much for joining us in this tutorial of creating a blog. Stay tuned for more tutorials that'll be coming in. But if you have any questions in the meantime, please feel free to write to us at info@pentcreative.com. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day.